The old Remington typewriter sat in the attic, dust caking its keys, yet it hummed with a silent invitation. When Mark found it, he couldn't resist typing a few lines. The carriage clattered as he wrote, "It's raining tonight." Instantly, thunder cracked outside and rain lashed the windows. Startled, Mark typed again. The phone rings. Downstairs, the shrill ring echoed. His heart pounded. With trembling fingers, he wrote, "A shadow watches from the corner." Cold dread prickled his neck as something shifted in the gloom behind him. Mark stared at the typewriter. He tried to stop, but his hands moved of their own accord, typing. He turns around. The shadow moves closer. The attic grew colder. He desperately hammered the keys. He runs, but the door won't open. The air thickened, pressing against him. "The shadow reaches out," Mark typed, sweat stinging his eyes. The final line appeared. He screams, but no one hears. Mark's breath caught as icy hands gripped his shoulders. The typewriter fell silent. In the morning, his family found only the typewritten page, the last line still fresh and the chair empty.